In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the background in Google Meet. Whether you're trying to get back to basics or just prefer the simplicity of no background effects, this guide is here to help you out. Let's get started by heading over to Google. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look for the Google Apps icon, which is usually found as a grid of dots in the upper right corner of your screen. It's your gateway to accessing all the tools Google offers, including Google Meet, which is what we're focusing on today. Click on that icon to expand the Apps menu. From the list of available Google Apps, find and select Meet. This will take you to the Google Meet portal. Now, to kick things off, click on New Meeting. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options here. Choose Start as an Instant Meeting. This is the quickest way to jump into a meeting, and it will take you directly to a video call interface. Once you're in the meeting, your screen will show various controls around the video feed. Look towards the bottom of your screen for the three vertical dots, which is the More Options button, located just beside the Leave Call button. Go ahead and click on those dots. This action brings up a menu where you'll find the option Backgrounds and Effects. Selecting this option will open a panel to the right of your screen, packed with different virtual backgrounds and video effects. It's a nifty feature, but today's focus is on how to turn these effects off. Within this panel, you'll see several options to modify your background or apply effects. What we want here is to bring things back to basics. Look for and click on Turn off visual effects. This will deactivate any extra visual enhancements that might be applied to your video feed. That may be all you need, but to ensure everything is off and you're working with a clean slate, locate the Remove All button in this same section. Clicking this will make sure all visuals and effects are completely stripped away, leaving you with the original, unmodified background. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off the background in Google Meet, achieving a clear and distraction-free environment. This can be particularly helpful for professional settings, or if you just prefer a more straightforward look in your video calls. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you navigate the world of Google Meet a little better.